Good Governance Day. On 25th December, Good Governance Day is observed every year to honor the birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the nation's former Prime Minister. The Good Governance Day on 25th December 2024 holds a special significance as it marked the 100th birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, received Bharat Ratna in 2015. With the banner of nationalism in our heart to build up a mighty India, let us march towards on the path of duty. This is no time for rest and this is no occasion for flattering. Let us go onwards and onward till we reach the goal. On 25th December 1924, in the princely state of Gwalior, now a part of Madhya Pradesh, he was the former Prime Minister of India and was elected to the position thrice in 1996, 13 day, 19 second term 1998, 1999, 13 months 1999 to 2004 is the third term full term. Good Governance Day was instituted in 2014 by the Narendra Modi government. This day aims to promote transparency, accountability, and efficiency in public administration. As a parliamentarian, A.V. Vajpayee was awarded with the Pandit Govind Vallabh Pant Award for Best Parliamentarian in 1994, which defines him as a role model for excellence for all legislators. He was conferred with Bharat Ratna in 2015 and Padma Bhushan in 1994. Significance. Good Governance Day highlights the importance of ethical leadership and responsible governance. It serves as a reminder for both leaders and citizens to uphold high standards of governance to ensure sustainable development and public welfare. What are the Indian initiatives to improve good governance? Good Governance Index GGI GGI has been launched by the Ministry of Personal Public Grievance and Pensions to determine the status of the governance in the country. It assesses the impact of various interventions taken up by the state government and union territories. National e-governance plan. It has the vision to make all government services accessible to the common man in his locality through common service delivery outlets and ensure efficiency, transparency, and reliability of such services at affordable price. Right to Information Act 2005. It plays an effective role in ensuring transparency in government, transparency in governance. Other initiatives setting up of Niti Aayog Make in India program Lokpal etc. To commemorate this milestone, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances DARPG announced a week-long campaign titled प्रशासन गांव की ओर प्रशासन गांव की ओर scheduled from December 19 to 24 December 2024. This initiative aims to bring governance to the grassroots, ensuring that administrative services are accessible to rural populations. Importance of good governance. Uphold public interests. Good governance practices help in upholding the interests of the public. Efficient use of resources. Good governance enables an organization to make optimal and efficient use of existing resources for providing quality service. Checks and balances. Good governance practices also ensure checks and balances against the excess use of power and position. Public involvements. Public participation in the governance process can only be achieved if good governance practices are implemented. Achievements during A.B. Vajpayee tenure, significant economic reforms, infrastructure projects like the Golden Quadrilateral, and efforts to improve India's global standing. Pokhran nuclear test, Kargil war, global golden quadrilateral, प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना etc.